We are on the east side of Spain, and today we're touring this beautiful property, just under 2 million euros, and we're just 5 minutes away from the beach. Let's go and check it out. Today, we are viewing a home located on the east side of Spain, that is in the Costa Blanca. We are actually located in Albir, and the home we're visiting is a new build. It's by a really famous architect here in the area, and this home consists of 780 square meters of plot, 400 square meters built, 4 bedrooms en suite, and everything is on all one level. It's got like an Ibiza Oasis style, and it is just a perfect home to have key ready, especially if you want it as a second home. It's the perfect one. Let's start the viewing. So coming into the home, there is space for 3 cars, 2 outside and 1 big space inside. Right now there's a really big Range Rover and it fits perfectly. Then at the back there is a storage room, completely electric gate. Coming through here on the right, there is access straight to the terrace, and then through here we go to the entrance of the home. So look at the design of the entrance just coming in with the LED lights here on the bottom. This at night must look spectacular. And the first thing you see is a great big entrance with a big wide wooden door. As you can see up here, the whole home has 360 security cameras all over the house. What a beautiful entrance coming in. There's a lot of space. What I like is that all of the doors, they go straight away to the top. You can't really see them, but behind these doors, there is the bedrooms, closet to leave your clothes and your jackets when you come in. You come through the living room, gas fire. We're missing the telly on top, but that will come here soon. But when you look from here, you have the dining table and then the big open American kitchen. I love the design. The architect, when he was designing this house, he said to himself, I want to use the best materials that are right now on the market. So as you can see, the windows, the floor, the kitchen, all of the electronics is top quality. In the middle of the living room, they've made this beautiful design to put your best wine. So we'll take one of these later to have a glass of wine tonight. And then from here, you have straight access to the beautiful terrace outside. Let's go and check it out. From the living room, you walk straight out to this spacious terrace, I can say. You got this beautiful swimming pool with a nice design, all palm trees surrounding us, so it gives a Ibiza Oasis style. We don't have furniture right now, but you can imagine here with a chill out area, some sunbeds, because it's important because there's sun here all day, because the house was positioned on this side. And then here, they've created this beautiful structure with the palm tree in the middle. I can already see myself doing some yoga here in the morning. If you want more information of this home and you would like to view it, or see more properties here in the Costa Blanca, click in the link below so an agent can get straight to you to help you find your ideal home. Let's carry on with the video tour. We come to the outside kitchen. It is completely made of steel. You have the Argentine barbecue, and then from here, you're just cooking your food and looking to the beautiful swimming pool. The whole home is connected to domotics. You can control the outside lights, inside, and much more. And every single room is connected to an independent air conditioning. Come through here, through this really high door. You come into the master bedroom with this big walk-in wardrobe, beautiful LED detail on the bottom. Just look how spacious it is. Behind the bed, we have this wooden details with the LED lights on top. But one thing that I love is that from the bed, you wake up to the terrace and the swimming pool with the oasis style and to the green nature and mountain at the back. But let's go and check out the beautiful bathroom. Wow, look at this. Amazing bathtub, looking out to the oasis style on the outside of the window. Then you have here to get ready in the morning, and then coming through here, nice big open shower. It's what I most like. Wake up in the morning, turn the shower on, have enough space, come in. I do cold showers to come out nice and fresco. The whole home has a total of 4 bedrooms, all ensuite bathroom. They all have details like this at the back. Beautiful bathrooms. And then coming out, there is the other 2 bedrooms and toilets. Look at this enormous roof terrace with 360 views, sea views, mountain views to the Puig Campana, the highest mountain closest to the sea in Spain. And then on the backside, we have the mountain of Albir. You can even see the Shah Hotel Wellness Center. It's where a lot of famous people come, like Madonna, Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo. So it's a really well-known place. And then if you come and check out over here, it has a total of 24 solar panels down here and up on the roof where the sun hits it all day long. So you have energy through the day and through the night because it also has batteries included. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And check out this playlist if you want to see more luxury homes here in the area. We're uploading every single Friday. I'll see you in the next one.